A drink, snacks.
Yep.
Anything. So Daddy's gonna lock it up.
I'm good. Yep.
Alright, here we go.
Alrighty. Give me. There we go. Alright. Doing a YouTube video.
Oh, dang, already?
It's not live, it's just a video. Alright, so guys,
Are you sure you're gonna post it?
So guys, we're at Spring Bayou going fishing. I'll get the boat in the water first. That's what we're gonna do. Oh, no, it'll be kind of clear. See how wide out? See how it becomes clear. Alright.
Yo, Emma, hand me one of them life jackets. Are they tied?
Hey Emma, get ready. I'm gonna pull you up to the dock.
Yeah, just give me it. Hey, your cousin.
I'm gonna try to get us to the dock. Ready, Emma?
I'm just gonna have sticky crap.
Got it? Oh, it is.
We gotta go to the last one. Hey, you gotta let it run up.
No, we gotta turn it off.
Or
We
do
don't
you
want to waste the
pull
gas.
it back?
Just hold it right down. Come in the top.
My hand was about to cut on that, so I had to let go. Hey, where's that knife at, Emma? Emma, where'd you put the knife? It's coming. Emma, where'd you put it? I put it in the bottom of there, underneath that white thing.
Okay, guys, I'm doing a YouTube video. Okay, guys, so don't miss it.
Hey, give me the rope.
Don't run no break. So we're at Spring Bayou, which you'll get to Spring Bayou.